Respected PFA Sir, Shri S. Vivekanand Reddy, Madam PFA, Mrs. Arpita Reddy, FNCO WST, Shri Deepak Khaira, Madam WST, Srimati Richa Khaira, FNCO B&IT, Shri K.R. Abhishek Anand Rao, all the IRAS officers, their spouses, all the colleagues and friends from accounts departments and S&T department, and all the spouses, children from the school who are a special guest for us tonight. Namaskar and a very good evening. A very warm welcome on the occasion of IRAS Day 2019 Bilaspur chapter. At the very outset, I would like to request our junior most IRAS officer, Shri Febin Philip, to kindly welcome PFA Sir and present him with a bunch of flowers. To start us off on an auspicious note, we will now have the lamp lighting ceremony, and to do the honors, may I request PFA Sir, Madam PFA, FNCO WST Sir, Madam WST, FNCO BNIT Sir, to kindly lighten the lamp. Was dedicated to the nation on 24th November. The Institute for IRAS, called Indian Railway Institute for Financial Management, was inaugurated in the auspicious presence of CRB and Financial Commissioner on 24th November at Maula Ali in Hyderabad. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a glimpse of our alma mater to be. the service, to share the camaraderie amongst the fraternity, to learn, to share the knowledge and experience. It is a day when we all gather and we not just celebrate the service that we belong to, but we also... Let me please call on stage Shri Aditya, Senior DFM Nagpur. Shri Aditya will be enlightening us on personal finances, which I believe most of us might be not very much aware of. Come 1st July and we start thinking that the salary has not increased much, but the tax has increased. So basically it might be the planning that we might be lacking at. So let's hear from Senior DFM Nagpur, his knowledge and his experience.
Respected PFA sir, FNCO WST sir, FNCO BNIT sir, ma'ams, colleagues and dear friends. I have been given this topic of personal finance and I've been given only 10 minutes to explain what I've learned over the last 7 years, which is slightly difficult, but I'll try and do justice to it. Personal finance is something that has been very close to my heart. My family situation was in such a way that at one point of time my father retired and he was a doctor and he earned a lot of money through government only, but then he had no idea as to what to do with that money. And then that put me in a fix, and I tried to help out my father, and that's how I learned whatever little I learned. So let me start with the presentation. I'll just try and cover personal finance in few basic questions: what, where, why, when and how. So let's you might have during your life. So it's basically, it includes generation of income. So it could be either from salary or any other source of income, rental income, agricultural income. It includes expenditure, spending of money, saving. Of course, I mean, whatever money that you earn, how do you save it? Where do you invest it? And some sort of protection by way of insurance. So this basically comprises your personal finance. It should be in such a way that you should be able to summarize it into a financial plan. So that would then be called a personal financial plan.
No, it's 20 rupees kg. And what was the price in 1999? Maybe some of us were very young at that time. Officers probably who were senior who had joined would remember. In 1999, the price of sugar per kg was 5 rupees. Okay? Let's move on. Next slide, please. Milk, full cream. Price today, anyone can guess?
Head and what not. So, knowing the basics of the Indian economy, let me welcome on stage our youngest IRS officer, Shri Febin Philip.
Good evening, everyone. Respected PFA sir, Vivekananda Reddy sir, Deepak Khaira sir, FA WST, Abhishekananda Rao sir, FA BNIT, Megha ma'am, Aditya sir, Yakub sir, Anuj sir, and all the respected officers and their family members gathered over here. A warm good evening, very relevant to our personal life. So I think this day would not be completed if somebody bore you with totally irrelevant facts. So today it's upon me to bore you with some irrelevant facts which I have gathered. Moving on to next slide. So I just have kept the sources of this presentation strictly to government documents so that I comply with the code of conduct which civil servants are being ruled. So next. So first is about our GDP. Next slide, please. So the real GDP in nominal terms, which means the rupee terms, in India is almost 140 lakh crores per annum. This is the real GDP, which is adjusted with the inflation. And next, our nominal GDP, as per calculated with the current prices, stands at 1.9 lakh crore, which has a growth rate of almost 11% when we compare with the last year's nominal GDP. Next slide, please. So, according to International Monetary Fund, the publication is World Economic Outlook. GDP nominal of India in current prices is projected to be at 2.9 trillion. So this figure is important because our government has a vision to have a 5 trillion economy by 2025. So aggregate growth we are looking at it 8%. So every year we are supposed to grow at 8% to reach at our goal of 5 trillion economy. And for some comparison, I have given some other data also. So India as a total contributes to 3.36% of total world GDP. And in comparison, we have 17.5% of population. So only 17.5% of world population is contributing only 3.3% of GDP. So we have a potential to grow, and we will grow. So India we just have 2.4% of our of available land in the world. So this is some of the constraints that we have. We have a high population in a very limited set of land. And in comparison to Asia, India is the third. India has third position after China and Japan. It is purchasing power parity. That means right now we are comparing rupee rates, which in absolute terms. But this may not actually represent the economic situation in the country. Means our currency could buy more. So this is one country.
FNC WST sir and madam, FNC B&IT, सभी वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण, मेरे साथियों, सबसे पहले मैं IRS डे का बधाई आप सबको देता हूं। आज एक आउट ऑफ द कॉन्टेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट में बोलने के लिए मुझे बोला गया है, तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा योग से कैसे हम स्वस्थ रह सकते हैं कुछ बताने का कोशिश ज़रूर करूंगा। सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहिए योग क्या है। योग की परिभाषा अलग अलग समय पर अलग अलग महापुरुषों के द्वारा अलग अलग परिप्रेक्ष्य में कुछ ऐसे ही दिया गया है। स्लाइड चेंज कर। अभी जैसे मेघा मैडम बोली ये वह चित्तवृत्ति निरोधो। महर्षि पतंजलि जो 1000 साल पहले एक पवित्र नाम है, जिन्होंने मानव जीवन का आध्यात्म और जीवन का बड़ी गहराई से विचार किया है। उसके पश्चात एक मनोवैज्ञानिक और एक आध्यात्मिकवाद बनकर समग्र मानव जाति के सामने एक व्यवस्थित रूप से योग को प्रस्तुत किया योग दर्शन का नाम से। योग दर्शन का पहला सूत्र ये योग अनुशासन। उनके हिसाब से योग की परिभाषा जो है योग चित्तवृत्ति निरोध। चित्त की वृत्तियों का निरोध कर देना ही योग है। हम कोशिश करेंगे चित्त क्या है जानने की। चित्त जैसे हम देखते हैं टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग, चित्त और मन में ये फर्क है। मन जो है 10% दिखता है, चित्त जो है 90% नहीं दिखता है। जन्म जन्म का जो हमारे क्लेश हैं, जो आकांक्षा है, पूरा नहीं होता है, वो धीरे 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 जमा होते रहता है। वो हमको बाहर की ओर प्रेरित करता है, हमको क्या करना है। जब ये चित्त की वृत्तियों का निरोध करते हैं, ये मोक्ष का मार्ग है, आध्यात्मिक का मार्ग है। जब हम ईश्वर तक पहुंच जाते हैं, ये योग का चित्त की वृत्तियों का निरोध हो जाता है। योग एक माध्यम भी है, एक परिणाम भी है। दूसरा परिभाषा जो भगवान श्री कृष्ण भगवत गीता ने दिया है, योग कर्मसु कौशलम, ये भी 2 तरीका का है। कुशलतापूर्वक कोई काम करने का को योग कहते हैं, और योग के माध्यम से अगर कार्य में कुशलता हासिल किया जाए वो भी योग है। तीसरी परिभाषा जो है वो भी भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने दिया है भगवत गीता में। अर्जुन को कहते हैं सिद्धि सिद्धि और समयुक्ता समत्वम योग उच्यते। समत्वम योग उच्यते का मतलब है कोई भी परिस्थिति में सुख और दुख, जैसे दोनों शब्द आता है, सुख और दुख, अच्छाई और बुराई, दोनों का बीच में हम सामंजस्य स्थापन करके जब हम हमारा कर्तव्य करते हैं वो योग कहलाता है। तीसरा परिभाषा जो महर्षि शरी चौथा है यज्ञवल्क्य ने दिया है, योग जीवात्मा परमात्मा को जोड़ता है। जीवात्मा जो हम इंसान है, पुरुष है या प्राणी है, परमात्मा जो ईश्वर है वो हम नियंत्रक है। जैसे हम मोक्ष के रास्ते में जाते हैं, हमारा लक्ष्य है परमात्मा को प्राप्त करना। जिस उद्देश्य से हमें धरती पर आए हैं, यहाँ कुछ ईश्वर का काम करना है, पश्चात यहाँ से ईश्वर के साथ विलीन हो जाना है। तो ये 3-4 परिभाषा जो दिया हुआ है, ये सब आध्यात्मिकवादी है। वर्तमान परिप्रेक्ष्य में योग को हम ऐसे देखते हैं, ये एक वैकल्पिक चिकित्सा पद्धति है। आप इस स्लाइड में देखते हैं, योग का परिभाषा बदल गया है। स्वास्थ्य से समाधि तक की एक यात्रा है, और ये यात्रा तय करने के लिए हमें कुछ सोपान आवाज नहीं आ रही। ओम शांति। धन्यवाद आप सबका।
महत्व से वाकिफ कराने के लिए, और अभी की जो हम स्ट्रेसफुल जीवन जीते हैं उसमें योग का महत्व और भी बढ़ जाता है। Ladies and gentlemen, the evening is not complete, or the celebration is not complete unless we have some dancing, some singing. So lighten up the evening further. We have a beautiful group of our little friends from English Medium High Secondary School 2 of SCCR. So please give a round of applause to our group of little friends from our railway school.
Bye. Thank you very much to
कैमरा रखेंगे सब।
Gentlemen, let me now take the honor of welcoming on stage our respected PFA sir for the keynote address tonight. Sir, please.
Deepak, Mrs. Deepak, Arpita, Abhishek, Megha, Anuj, Febin, Mrs. Febin, Poonam, who came all the way from Raipur, like how they have a permanent representative at the UN, our permanent friend sitting beside my wife, Anuba, and all the friends there. Most of you, at least not the spouses, have been listening to me on various occasions. Actually, I thought I'll be presenting right from the beginning, the genesis of IRAS and the crisis or turbulence it is going through right now, but I have a feeling that will make it a little more studious than required. Instead, I have changed my mind, and my wife knows that I change too frequently too many things in life. So what I'll do is, there is a mic, what do you call that mic? You do one thing, Mega will help me. What we'll do is, this is a very small gathering. It will be a great feeling if you pass on the mic and each person just gets up and says his name and who he is and all. It will be very nice. Then I'll say thank you and I'll come down. Just to see that people get to know each other. You get my point? Yeah, you can start. Anybody can start.
From this side.
Yeah.
Mrs. Richa Khera, wife of Mr. Deepak Khera.
Wife of Vivekant Reddy.
Prakash, DST CIC, and thank you sir for the honor and privilege. I am always so grateful to you. आप इतना अच्छा बोलते हैं कि UN representative as such, so it never feels like from a different department, and I get ultimate care and love from this department, and I'm really honored, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Honored
Thank you, Anuba.
Always.
On behalf
Thank
of
you. Thank you,
everyone
ma'am.
sitting here, thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am, as well. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Linda Mariam Suresh. I'm a wife of Eben Philip.
Thank you.
Hello, I am Rekha Jha, wife of PK Jha. Thank you. Hello, I am Josna Panda, wife of AK Panda. Hello, I am Anas Chanak, Mrs. of LP9. Thank you.
It doesn't cost much to clap, yeah.
I am Aparna Tiwari, wife of Narottam Tiwari. Good evening everyone. I am Kiran Aditya, wife of Rajneesh Aditya.
Yamini Suresh Babu. Sir, I think this is the first time.
नमस्ते सर, मैं प्रभास झा, AFA कंस्ट्रक्शन, और आप लोगों को IRS पर की बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ।
Sir, good evening. I am Alex Swarang, ADFM Bilaspur, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir. I am Ravindra Kumar and working on FNCO construction. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. I am Rajneesh Aditya, Vigilance Officer, Accounts.
Good evening, sir. I am Arun Kumar Vinayakar, Senior FA Budget, which is nowadays a problematic thing, and we are really struggling on this issue, and every divisions are naturally they are complaining. Get fund. I think PFSR is also very much disturbed on this, and always we are hunting on this. कि कैसा पैसा आएगा?
Hey, don't worry. Whenever there is crisis, na, one of the Dashavatara happens. So God has sent you. Don't worry.
And major problem is in Planet 31. I want to say something like this.
Please.
Because, so 31 is also a major thing, and all three DF, senior DFMs, and even Mega Ma'am, she is also very like many bills are pending, all calls are coming to her also, and me also. Lots of staff, even officer, even PHODs called me. पर पास कर दो यार, पढ़ा हम बोला सर PFA को बोलो, मुझे और कुछ करना नहीं है, फंड नहीं है नहीं होगा.
No, as long as you all are getting salaries, what's the problem?
Sir, I think Senior FA budget is making his point clear. Please don't ask for fund. All the division senior DFMs are here. Sir, moving on.
सबको नमस्कार. मैं राजशेखर, सीनियर एफए ट्रैफिक.
Rajshekhar, onwards. Rajshekhar, onwards. It'll be very nice if you speak one or two sentences at least, all of you. It'll be a great occasion, you know. We have a lot of time in the world. The night is still young, okay?
सर थैंक यू. सर सबसे पहले
आप सबको IRS डे सेलिब्रेशन के लिए इधर सबको मुबारक। और सर अभी आज मैं डिवीज़न गया था, बिलासपुर डिवीज़न, तो वहाँ पे देखा हूँ कि सिक्योरिटी डिपार्टमेंट और इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट के इंटरेस्ट बिल्स भी पास नहीं हो पा रहे हैं। तो ये मेरे को थोड़ा अजीब लगा कि आज 6 महीना नहीं हुआ।
My wife went to golf course today and she was greeted by cattle grazing there because of lack of outsourced RPF guys.
सर एंड दूसरा ये है सर कि सिक्योरिटी का बोले से हमारा जो पुराना GM बिल्डिंग है उसमें सिक्योरिटी कुछ है नहीं सर। एंड इवन द पीपल दे आर सेइंग दैट इवन एट नाइट टाइम्स पीपल गो इनटू ट्रैफिक अकाउंट्स ऑफिस, सी वेयरएवर कंप्यूटर्स आर देयर, वो सब कभी भी चोरी हो सकता है। तो सिक्योरिटी डिपार्टमेंट का तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल सिस्टम में कम से कम ये होना चाहिए। थैंक यू सर।
Good evening, sir. I am A.K. Panda, AFA GST. Since 2017, I am looking after GST section independently with the guidance of our Deputy FA and your blessing of our PFA, sir. Thank you, sir. Many congratulations for IRS Day.
Mega, I don't see the clapping part yet.
Good evening, respected sirs and madam. I am K.C. Swain, Assistant Statistical and Analysis Officer. Just in the month of November 5th, I have joined. Many congratulations on this IRS day. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I'm B. Bhaumik, Deputy FNCO G. Happy IRS Day, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. I'm Mihit Das, AFA Construction.
Don't address sir and all that, you know. You're in the crowd, right? Just look this side, that side. Suresh, don't tell sir and all. Address the crowd.
Hello, good evening everybody. Myself D. Suresh Babu, Senior AFA Finance. First of all, congratulations very much for everyone for IRS Day celebrations. And thank you, sir. Thank you for a very good initiative, sir. Inviting all of us. So we have become a family, sir. And thank you very much for the initiative, sir.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Good evening to all. I am Narottam Tiwari, AFA Construction, and happy IRS Day to all officers present here. Thank you, sir.
Good evening to all. I am LP Naik, AFA Budget, sorry, AFA Stores. Because I am equally Vadodara Plan 31. Thank you.
Actually, he's our Patanjali actually.
Good evening all. I am Vaibhav Malviya, DFM Bilaspur. IRS Day की सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई.
Good evening everyone. Myself Fabian Philip, ADF from Bilaspur. First of all, thanking everyone for letting me having the opportunity to speak. So basically this forced me to go through my economic part of UPSC very fast. Otherwise I would have been stuck for months. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Devashish Lord, DFM Bilaspur. Sir, it is a burning topic. Budget. Bilaspur division is also facing day and out every day the budget problem. So hopefully I expect this problem will be solved very shortly after getting RG at least. Thank you, sir.
Let's hope.
Hello. Good evening. I am S. Mahapatro, Senior AFA Stores. Sir, we have been celebrating this IRS Day since the last few years. In different years we have celebrated in a different manner. But under your leadership, this looks quite different. You are different, sir, in every aspect. And you have last time, I think 2 years ago, you were BFA when the annual award function was there. That was also quite different from the other years' functions. So it is always different when you are.
Thank you. How nice. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome
and congratulations for this IRS Day celebration 2019 in such August gathering. I am Ashok Naik, Senior AFA, Inspection and Efficiency. My section is just parasitical section because everybody's good work gives me pleasure and gives me vertical efficiency. Otherwise, it is just nothing. It is a knowledge thing. So, I thank all of you who are contributing for this railway and our efficiency of our PFA and our accounts paternity is getting ahead. Thank you all, sir. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Anuj Kumar, Senior DFM Bilaspur. I will not talk about Planet 31. But yes, sir, definitely, just to add on what Mohapatra ji just said, last year was legendary, but this year, sir, this is really a step up, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Aditya Somkuar. I'm Senior DFM Nagpur. I've just joined 2 months back, and this is my first IRAS day in SCCR, and I couldn't feel more at home than this. This is just amazing.
Great.
So thank you all.
Great.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, आई एम याकूब। मुझे नहीं मालूम मुझे अपने बारे में क्या कहना है। बस इतना समझिए कि देख ले शक्ल मेरी किसका आईना हूँ मैं, देख ले शक्ल मेरी किसका आईना हूँ मैं, यार की शक्ल हूँ मैं, यार में फना हूँ मैं। पता लगाए कोई क्या मेरे पते का पता, मेरा पता ये है कि लापता हूँ मैं। थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड वेरी वेरी कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर IRS Day.
Too good.
Thank you.
It deserves a lot of applause.
Good evening, everyone. I am DFM Coordination Raipur. I am Poona. And sir, definitely I'll agree with whatever Mohapatra ji said. Sir, definitely, with each year, I think the level of IRA celebration is going up. And so this has only been possible because of your guidance, sir. And so I'm truly, sir, happy to be here. So I almost thought I would miss it, but I'm
Actually,
happy
we
I
are
could
glad.
make it.
She deserves a big applause.
Thank you, sir.
Because there was a meeting with the new DRM right from morning. She has concluded that and come in the train for this function. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I am the recent addition to the accounts family of this SCCR. I got my promotion orders when I was in China along with Yakub, sir. I came to know that I've been posted to Bilaspur. I was a little disappointed, but Yakub was very encouraging. Sir, this is a very good place, sir. That you will get vada, sir. You will get idli, sir. Everything he was telling. But after coming here, I felt very homely. I'm very happy to be all with you. It's very, very nice working. I always got a very good.
गुड इवनिंग, मैं दीपक खैरहा, हस्बैंड ऑफ रिचा खैरहा। Thank you, sir, for IRS Day. It is because of our Reddy sir that we have started drinks from the last year and will continue.
Good. So,
सर, आप इतने अच्छे ऑफिसर हैं कि आपको इतनी दुआएं हैं यहाँ रोकने के लिए कि आप हैदराबाद नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, सर। So slightly work negatively so that you can be posted at ARIFM.
Yes,
I have seen two things in the ARIFM's presentation, sir. One is for, there are two hostels. One is for Vaibhav and Anuj, and another one is for married.
Yeah.
So I think the trend will be continued for the future also. So I can at least go with my wife. And
yes, definitely.
And बहुत अच्छा लगा मेघा। एक्चुअली मेघा की अंग्रेजी के बाद सर ऐसा लगता है कि बाहुबली के बाद आपने कोयला मूवी दिखा दी हो। So it is थैंक यू सर, बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं सर।
Great.